ne waje black na nkasa no say black na ya do so pa o because mo say Afia say black ma say black Aisha say black DJ Wana say black ayo akra of black anka wo say wanya say but still say black Kofi so say blue black enya de keto ti Afia akwabae
yenua
patriot saying
Nyankopon dom bibia boko
e de radia say na me say na me so
oh mebusa o na me hwe won so a minim say nyame adom
David kasa
sa let it say
o say
na what to say
yeah
eye won kwan die eye obi anya we yi ko hwe say e de oxygen esi obi so ba wo humi free go do mafu sani free nti it's okay challenges ne de nipa na ye wiase nso ebeba amakora wonhunu se de wiase te tie bi ho eba na show de am movie on
bate
de ekoso obia no eno na oba pade aye nwum no dija wana aye de no pa utie sa nwum we na nam a encourage atiase ti bibia be fine na Afia mame kwa homasomra na mame de obokrata na poso no ora Angel Kabono Nagrat president yeni nkoma no paying demonstration ya kire say striker wa mo de bo hu dawru eso mo ebeye no yene no enimo enkobo na ya hye ira Kabono ho ye bese yakona ye din kobo Afia ene na bosoma me enti no mame nchi obia ne na obi ase se stations ne do so ne so won waje atum sa Adom 106.3 ero mbetie titu won e wo Facebook yen social media handles anope ye chia mu nyina ye da mo ase baako eme se nsemu no de free bra mampani abede akire de nsem tu dwa no mabobo mu a tie ne telegraphy de obokrata no asade aba mampani abede akire ho ayefe ne picture no ni da ho kama abna ye so wabanti no ye wie ni ya ne ato aso
ene mame kwa homa so Oreka Bonu wadarma ye mo ache no pen
ye nua
me patro se bibia ye bokode
na me adume
ye de radia say na ye hyase free striker say in fact say it's impending ene ho enkomo muguso agyan ba bia mugina wadarma
na ye nhemu what is your organized labor mbanyimfo nyini na ya tunsa afro bia se omomba sanhemu no what TUC hall and a development about start today no the debate obia na ye nyina ya discuss na ya take final decision
development na abano wo sha direction na enyoma ekono eye bibi ebetumi bia mo bekosia no bem na ye se strike no kra no ma twen asan ana se mo dia konko ho kakra possible
well
Oreka Bonu
yeah hello
online na nya kra but see the matonka but mitio
okay so I buy and suspend a actual to ECG ni netco from one suspend tax no yeah the in our state and said government should just write withdraw but more use suspend fair enough yeah share I mean any pabako I dream na nyansa so we all have to meet na yeah share I mean mimo pa the anka abai enya kukudro a full withdrawal because the flag bearer of the new patriotic party on Wednesday or yeah in statement also no say yamu bwana no be mampenia he will withdraw the VAT on electricity. So I just say the current flag bearer and Minister of Finance Nangasamu or Omunina, they are not in agreement. The flag bearer of the NDC, the John Dramani Mahama, also say idea on Jin to Ovanye Juma. So all the major flag bearers are there Ovanye Juma. Now you are February, you are 10 months to go into an election, not January, not Abai Fufra. Why will anyone keep being transigent and say he or she wants to implement a tax that even if it is implemented, no, the lifespan bear 10 months? I mean, let us be bold and then for government to completely withdraw the tax.
Na obi bekasa anya hwekra no aban ayo setie kakra consensus amarezi abaya dietum no so wa suspend twen so money stakeholders ahodo ebedin komo na omahu the way forward enti se withdraw na mo pe flag bearer draw wa beka so be president na gusu won krato aso obe withdraw suspension for years kra no na ya suspend ya enya adwuma it should be enough ebema makoma atomoyem.
Well, and then I hear Quaco dream hone, you know, me better me make a statement, be not Quaco, yes, say, my prejudice in Shemuna, yeah, by you know. And then I hear Quaco dream hone said, looking at the situation, is it enough for us to suspend the strike? Because you see, sometimes, you see, before Uber announced organized labor by nationwide strike, you activate, and you're not gratin, and you're not, and you're TUC, and you're medical, all workers, both public and private. And I activate committees now, or more organizing strikes in all the 16 regions. Well, we have spent so much money as at yesterday that we are talking. Committees, as I see shame, we have written to the police. We know where we are converging. Amankwaah foundation money for buses, school buses, workplace buses. Amankwaah top petrol, you know. So when it gets to this stage, now you don't meet everybody to take another action, and now I'm here now with the confusion ever.
Okay. Yenshan Sama, the vice president, at the two just say any vision as flag bearer and the hopes of Baba Abaye president. Education side no will take home once more the two jano Orakabunu.
Well, Oka say obey strengthen TVET education, Oka say a free senior high school no he will strengthen it. Me as a teacher, me here, and here, me say, you want very good and robust education that delivers knowledge, and knowledge that is useful. Obi Oboku school at every level, Biano. Yeah, he's been given enough knowledge to be able to become a worthy person in society. That is what we are looking for. As at now, we are not that the free senior high school is under serious and tremendous challenge. Among for a while outside the here one say yes, free senior high school and Kodano school after so free senior high school has come. Hooray! No, there are a lot of internal challenges, serious internal challenges are afflicting free senior high schooler. I say yes, Makuni say a bunch of boss say free double track never 5 years. After 5 years, get fund basis you are dying. Na the double track now baby. Unfortunately, the government get fund in Sikano. One first carrying you now get fund. And the get fund and community is dying. We are in the 7th to the 8th year. We know who can say double track is still ongoing in about 30% of schools in the country. We have issues of feeding. Apart from feeding, we have issues of infrastructure, recurrent expenditures in the school, and so on and so forth. So, yes, free senior high school is in operation. But now, Pomodie to say, what are the internal challenges? How is it that affecting teaching and learning of students in the school? So, for me, you know, obi obaba bia obaba year education year ama education afan into my parafra no. For us, that is where we work. That is what we are looking for. So that's what I'll say about education. But we have a lot of challenges in education.
Na ne vision say robotics or more best strength na omo introduce ni seriously e wo ye schools mu and what in so no efa national service ya wo che say e ma me ye compulsory and say omo ye system na man kwada no ni mu de in ICT to meet the world standard ni baby and artificial intelligence AI no ekono what's that side the whole who saying say you do money here in the education system.
Yes, Mami starting for national service the national service the whole na margin and clear papa because you see, young family say one castle be national service was so be no optional.
Yeah.
Wow, pen now I wow pe unye. So for example, the everybody say in Crofona Abena post na call be a foreign affairs, civil aviation, maybe a big bank of Ghana, we. Only person may national service no. Now Crofona you best send them to a number so munko kocha die a contombra omudi omobaka se munko. So dear Miss so say beba be see me say Nkofo no opportunity for the juicy areas in Accra and Kumasi no. Omudi omobaka so national service because be a chance if we say if you move we cry to me for mo djuma. But those people who will be sent to the rural area, be a crying here, maybe here national, maybe say, because it is optional. They do call baby a home panel. Obian to me, shall also say, Coco yet. Emrano, you better Emrano, because they say Emrano, if you finish tertiary, so you will national service, Emra. Wow, Obi, with Juman, Nipanan, national service, so what Umra. But ye is Amran if you are. Be optional. Now, you see, say, the any pakram, na national service people. That be a for no politicians, no, and some become for young fan and say, Ubipana, they deny to the office of the president. No, you do to office of the president. I didn't know who national service. You know, so these are some of the challenges. Now, another one, say, those who finish the colleges of education, the first year national service, a part of probation period. So I don't know. Maybe they'll come out with the details now. Okay. They'll share the details about that. Now, about robotics, the future of this country is science, math, technical, vocational education. That's the future of this country. And you're frozen.
Abena Opokua.
Abena Opokua says, "Yeah, who 2,000 who them who fee, who fair boys be some more about 2,000 mama. One free boys na be babe juma na omu fi Togo. Who should be my baby POP need about 90% omu fi Togo. About the same na yen artisans. Omu babe juma ma FC ekofu for us. How come? Because we are not producing hands-on technical people in this country. Now, boys Americans say, "Our tax." Mason for anyway, and tax. So, we need to change the dynamics. Niakaya say, "Yebeman kofako school, abeka brofo kasia and vaswani so." You know, so member vocational technical education, robotics, science, computer, ICT, it is the way for the future. Nagat, your position, and you may issue by next week, you may issue position paper. And say, vocational technical department will be open in the 60 top senior high schools. So there should be a vocational technical department in Wesley Girls. There should be a vocational technical department in Presec. There should be a vocational technical department in Prempe. At the end of our schools now, Obia person the Babekono, we are not doing the courses that can lead to the transformation of our country. Wow. Obia school no one or person the Bako, jo course now so course I want vocational technical. Akwano so want interest than the great into Betmiayano. The person can go. Can you imagine girls in Wesley Girls doing vocational technical school, looking at the type of families and homes they come from, the revolution that is going to take place in vocational technical. In Kulenu, Estaoku, Oko Achimota. That time, Achimota, vocational courses in Achimota. And on the other in Kulenu, the whole world have recognized her as an industrialist. So for me and for my union, We support vocational technical school, but we are also in support of comprehensive senior high school education, where all senior high schools in this country do all the programs in the school, comprehensive senior high school education. That's what I hear because the way a secondary school, way of vocation. No, senior high school secondary education should include all programs that are done in the school.
Mate, Orakabono, Mamena say, Nene Moko Siamudi, Movie meeting na Besamba, na share the outcome. You know, say good news, Beba.
Most journalists, I mean, sure, say, winning outcome, no crowd.
Your good news, over chair signs. Oh,
Mamma,
Orakabono, that's a near Rawanya. Angel Kabono, a Nagrats president, and no a National Association of Graduate Teachers. Any new madin komono VAT ya ban yes se wo de beto enyima ho den so ti kanena wudi djuma wo de beto so no magye wo na finance minister den krata ba enkrata na de na wo ka no ene so ma suspend so wa suspend de na je se sen wiem etwen se enkita hodie bekoso kita hodie ne koso wie to misi fom eno na yura angel ne dom ese da bi enye suspension no mo pe total withdrawal say ye fi hokra enye fi no bi beka so bi ni obi ekodin kita ho mamekwa Afia nchen de bokrata na poso choco taste of chocolate, it's chocolatey. Vodafone further together and ADB the People's Bank ADB truly a Greek and more wamabotidom yemfama yiria yabeba Dr. Bomiani Visin and some of the tuja no so Afia yankwa
Meda sentino na mede telegraph de bokrata no na ehase ne ekoye interview no ba yenti ora mampani abede echi Dr. Mahmoud Baumia then samo no ba telegraph de bokrata ya won ne Ghana fo adidi nkomani obia na adwuno obia Canada obia de ote no ene se de ofa no unya bra ko telegraph de bokrata nim na fe ko na kokenkan organized labor so yegusoya ne won mo kasankran ha Wamudi anye krado so oni aban bi e ba betena se wo electricity VAT no ho wonyi mfiri ho nye suspend ne ade yini nyina firi wo afi oda no wada enti ho asam no telegraph de bokrata no ko pe 1617 ane abato mpesua efia edina ye efia na se efia
efia constituency
ti ho ene no mdo mani ehwe nyabre ko daily graphic do bokrata no ewomu afei daily guide do bokrata no ko pay 6 a guta one more president Dr. Joseph Obeng wono so tie yenwura Dr. Mahmoud Baumia ne nsem no a wode eto dwano ene taxes airport tax reforms bi o hono mo tie ye ne de pa wa hwe ani mu ache enti sepani so nyame ya adom na se Ghana de 2 minister nsem no oba no obeye dia ene o tuche edemano delegate obokrata no na Abena we ya reho sam ko pe 3 wo ho Kana youth and sports minister efrim ewo India Dr. Mustafa Ahmed na wono na ye ayawaso east omra shebedwani former papa ya ewa ma ya me ya
ba de fani crans ye
ntiri fonyi da ha kuma bi wo hase wonimu a onya delegate na fe wo hu minister ye ken na Kane Mampani John ejekum kofuo nie bemba mu a behwe nsa so nsemu mu duanka saha gene ade onfonyina delegate de bani mu ha no efe pa na sam ne saba Baumia is a man of destiny is no the word tie no so hwe kwan kro fa so be wura politics mu na adom no wono so dada nti ene mu fatumi no emma no ni nyina no eye ni hia mudi a mampani abede akire de hia de sinani so a opesa Ghana 42 million mano no ena Kane Mampani je ekufo ko ho a ono so aka ne ho nsem bebre nya delegate bokrata no so ewo ho na manhia so 150 segrenti war deba koso enra pa ne paper ne ntoma hodo
nya sem ketwa
ye amamre ne amane efu
chese
na we dey wo school tani yeti o
ni yeti
adio na
we ni nyina
so omunya na practical nanka we ni ekomanhia ho ni ayenti ebezam sa pedi ohu omanhia na
eno na betro enye say chipo pass forget
yes from penny for education me sa papa no obese o ye ne sa ade no practical yi no I think say ye ne say ebebo amuma yen support because ade o so chi wade pa akopo wi na refi ba wo hu a wani hu a de help beka anti we na yes wo try na akro no mu anya ne sa na adesua ya nya bete no wa say
with the experience
pa na wo say sua de enya papa so
with the experience pa o
sa wo experience
me wo
enya bete mo ma practical ne no so say theory no na we no ya raho some pay 6 akra we no how many years akra ni me afa mani so ka so
2021 is 2021
kuni free na kwa no say suspect no ba ko no say yenkoye DNA test omo de ne bi aba tools bi aba o kire say onim ho hwe nti enye test ni ehunu say ne fingerprint e wo mu ana ne ensam de akra na brobro so a bebre radi hu ye mobo nti daily guide obokrata no eno no na me say daily guidance so ba pay 3 hano ma me hu ora Sam George e wa ha ene wo hwese ne nsam ye no wa ya se bi o jata like so no ko de jata
Sam jata
hey why wild now when was the MPs proposed jail term for LGBTQ activists wa be bo ho wa be ka ho asem ene ya wan kwa maximum be 3 years
bedam
why o mo fan hye bill ni mu ti unya bra ya kenkan na fe sansem no nso etie bi nti ho asem eno no Ghanaian Times Democrat no so enie Ghana Anti-Corruption Coalition demands as it pushes political parties to promote campaign finance transparency, protect integrity of electoral processes, also disclose funding sources. Mumye hunu baby asika munye free. Na obi ani na ho no credit e ba ko obi ahu akasa bi anka dem Ghanaian Times Democrat ano no nti Mrs Beauty Neti wono ena ne mfonyi edani mo ha sei Afia Sante hene nso amamre ne amane ekoso e wo ho no enumu ensem eno no mampani abedi akire nso eguso ya wo kasa ko page 8 Ghanaian Times Democrat ano say I will encourage Ghanaians to have mindsets of possibilities be possible. Be possible no kro aden de even before mampani be kano an
no say anymore na
wonim but obi o wa
onisa gidi no
but possible Abena de also
bibia betumi esi na bibia wo de wani besi so nko ano
say why determine why you wadwen say obeye
ende no kre
de hia ne say yesika sam fam de hia say bia hia little push
na ebi won so vision ne so nti be hyase o baby man tentem say de wo pe no eye den a wo bedru ho
honom na ya na manfom so ne ba no esunti no ye kɔ ne bum ba sa wo to wo bo a na wo ya ne kakra
step by step bedru simple
ye ni pandia ne penentem se me ka se bi obi ho kire ne pa bi owo ni so ade hunu so pese oye bibi sika no wai se be ye obenya sika no akoye nti ehoro na ehia abotre kakran nti penifo nso mo nti ho asem ena da Obokrata Ghanaian Times dia bana abna no ano no
amate
ti me da se
Afia
ni adaje
me so me da se
ye koye tie wo akire ho
ai mate ase na na ka baby sei